To set up hotspot in OnePlus 15, first of all, we'll need to launch our settings. Next step is to find the mobile network right here, and then we can go for the personal hotspot. Now you'll be able to activate your personal hotspot right here with the switch. You can also turn it off like this. Then you can go for the hotspot settings and adjust the settings like its name. You can change the name for the hotspot, how it will be visible for other people. And you can also change the password for your hotspot or just copy it if you don't want to change it. Then there's the security protocol that allows you to switch between different password options. If you want to use the password, make sure that you've picked either WPA2 or WPA3 options. If you don't want the password, click on none. Next thing is AP band. You can switch between 2.4G network or 5G network, and difference is 2.4G is a bit slower, but it will be more compatible with other devices. So if somebody has a problem connecting with your hotspot, you can go for 2.4. You can go for 5G if other devices does support that. That way you will get a slightly faster speed. Then there's the hide hotspot that you can enable or disable, and then your hotspot will be hidden and everyone will need to connect to it manually. Then there's the use Wi-Fi 6 protocol. It also provides a faster connection, but it may not be visible for other devices when this option is activated. Finally, when you're ready, click on save and your hotspot settings will apply. You can then activate it again. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.